10th Mathematics Practice and Learn Daily Coordinate Geometry Session 6. Area of a triangle. So how we get the area of a triangle? So here A as an x-axis and also y-axis. So here is a triangle. Name of the triangle is ABC. The coordinate point of A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2 and C is x3 y3. Now I have to find out the area of a triangle is I have to draw a perpendicular line from B to x-axis, that is BD, again A to x-axis, that is AE, again C to x-axis, that is CF. So therefore area of a triangle is equal to area of a trapezium ABDE plus area of another trapezium ACFE minus another trapezium BCFD. If you add both the trapezium, that is ABDE and ACEF, and subtract it from area of trapezium BCFD, then we get the area of a triangle. So before finding the area of a trapezium, the formula for find the area of a trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides multiplied by perpendicular distance between parallel sides. So that's again equal to area of trapezium ABDE. Here sum of the parallel side, that is BD and AE, that is y1 plus y2. Again the DE is the difference of x-axis, that is x1 minus x2. Therefore half into x1 minus x2 into y1 plus y2 plus area of another trapezium ACFE is equal to half into x3 minus x1 into the bracket y1 plus y3 minus half into area of BCFD, that is x3 minus x2, that is the distance between parallel sides DF. Again sum of the parallel sides, that is y2 plus y3. So that's again equal to, so half is common in all the brackets, so half is common into the bracket. I will collect the x1 terms, x1 into, first I got y1 plus y2, and at the second one I get minus x1, so I have already taken plus x1, therefore I kept minus y1 minus y3, again plus, again I will take the common term x2, at the last one minus of minus, that is plus x2, I will take x2 outside, then y2 plus y3, again in the first one minus x2 is there, I have already taken plus x2, therefore I get minus y1 minus y2, again plus, now I have to take x3 common, in the second one x3 is common, x3 into the bracket y1 plus y3 as it is. Now in the last bracket minus x3, so because I taken plus x3 is common, therefore I will write minus y2 minus y3, close the bracket. Now same term but different sign, y1 cancel, here again y2 cancel, here again y3 cancel. Now half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the required formula for area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here always you have to take the positive because area is always positive. Another important point we have to note that another important point, and 3 points are collinear. When the problems is asked 3 points are collinear, that means area of a triangle is 0. The formula, when you put the formula, the answer should be 0. Then the 3 points are collinear. Now example, find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1, minus 1, minus 4, 6 and minus 3, minus 5. Solution. So we know that area of a triangle is equal to half into bracket x1 into the bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 into the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 into the bracket y1 minus y2. So what is given here? X1, y1 is given, that is first points, that is 1, minus 1. X2, y2 is also given, that is minus 4, 6. Then third point x3, y3 is also given, that is minus 3, minus 5. Now substitute the value in the formula, that is half into bracket x1 is 1 into the bracket y2 is 6 and y3 is minus of minus, that is minus of 5, again plus x2 is minus 4, y3 is minus 5 minus of minus 1, then again plus x3 minus 3, then y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus 6, close the bracket, again that is equal to half into, so into the bracket 1 into 6 minus of minus, that is plus 5 plus minus 4 into minus 5 minus of minus 1 is plus 1, again plus minus 3 minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 7, close the bracket, again equal to half into, so into the bracket 6 plus 5, that is 11, 11 into 1, that is 11 plus minus 4 into minus 5 plus 1, that is again minus 4 plus minus plus 7 into 3, 21, I will write 21, close the bracket. Now again that is equal to half into bracket 11 plus minus 4 minus 4, that is plus 16 plus 21, close the bracket. So add all these one, 11 plus 16, 27, 27 plus 21, that is 48, half into 48. Half of 48 means that is nothing but 24 square units. So formula can be easily remembered like this. This formula can be easily remembered like this. See here. So first you have to write half, then simply write into the bracket xyy plus xyy plus xyy, close the bracket. So you have to write xyy 3 times. Now write the numbers 1, 2, 3 in order. See, 1, 2, 3. Now change the order. 2 becomes the first, 2, 3, 1. Now I have first write 1, 2, 3. Next write 2, 3, 1. Next I have to write 3, 1, 2. Now I have to put minus sign for y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1, y1 minus y2. Now I have to put the bracket like this, y2 minus y3, again like this, again like this. So here I got the formula, half into bracket x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this can be easily remembered like this. So practice questions. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, 4. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 5, minus 5, 1, 3, minus 5 and 4, 5. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 7, 2, 4, 7 and 7, minus 4. Put the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 in the formula, we get the answer. Now another problem. Find the area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are A 2 comma 2, B 4 comma 4, C 2 comma 6. So here they have not given x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. You have to get the midpoint of AB. 2 4 6 half is 3, 2 4 6 half is 3, so 3 comma 3, AB midpoint is 3. Then what is the BC midpoint? 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 6 12, that is 6 half is 3, 12 half is 6, there 10 half is 5, 6 plus 4 10, that is half is 5, so 3 comma 5. Then again AC 2 2 4, half is 2, 2 6 8, half is 4. So these are the midpoints. Then you have to find the area of a triangle. Then show that the points A minus 1 comma 1, B 5 comma 7 and C 8 comma 10 are collinear. Collinear means here area of a triangle is 0. Thank you.